It's time once again for The Law and You. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Of course, they serve all of northeastern and central Pennsylvania. And guys, I know you're itching to get to today's question.
We are.
Thanks, Dave.
They're ready to roll. Let's get to the question. I made my own will and signed it when the time comes. Is that a legal document? And is it that I need an attorney to transfer my assets to include my house? So the thing here with this question from June in Junesboro, do you have to really have a real formal will, or is it something you just kind of throw together on your own?
Well, the answer is you don't need to make it very formal. What she's basically created is called a holographic will, and that's something that you can do by just sitting down and writing it out on a piece of paper or a napkin if that's what you choose to do. But that document does become a binding will. With regard to the assets, I'll let Ed handle that.
Yeah, with regard to the assets and whether you need an attorney to transfer those assets, it really depends on what your assets are and who you're leaving them to. I mean, if this is a husband-wife type of situation and you die and you have the house is really going to pass to your husband or wife without having to have an attorney involved in it. But if you have substantial assets, then you really need to have an attorney involved in order to for estate purposes.
And just to follow up briefly, I mean, it's very important for our viewers to make sure they take the time to prepare those documents now and don't do it last minute.
Well, you never know when you're going to find yourself in a situation, someone passes away suddenly, and I know that's something that you guys can help our viewers out with. So if they need your help, how can they get in touch with you?
They can reach us out by phone at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or you can find us on our Facebook page and like us on our Facebook page. If you have a question for The Law and You, post it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on the next segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Thanks so much. We'll see you again next time.
Thanks, Dave.
And if you would like your question answered right here on The Law, you just head to pahomepage.com.
The Law and You is paid for by Fellerman and Saramboli, where results matter.